This right here is the secret ingredient. So let's get right into it. Join me today to make one of the most yummiest vanilla cake recipe ever. The first thing I want to do is to mix my dry ingredients together. So I'll go with my milk flavor. And here I have my salt and my baking powder. So I'll whisk this together. And I will set it aside. So the next thing I want to mix is my wet ingredients. And I mentioned the secret ingredients. You see the usefulness now. So I'll go in with my eggs. I have 5 beautiful large eggs. And then I'll go in with my sugar. And then the most important ingredients, my Excel sponge. You can get this in any baking store around your area. I'll go in with my vanilla extract and I'll whip this in. Then I'll add my oil in bits. And the last liquid I want to add is my milk. I'll add that in bits as well. Now this is our wet ingredients, and then I'll just turn in my dry ingredients in bits. And I don't want to overmix. I just want to mix until it's just fine.
By the way, I'm a husband. I'm getting a camera.
Okay, ready for it. I'll turn in the rest and the process fast and seamless. So I'll just go ahead and use my whisk. So just whisk this. Now that I'm done, I'll run this batter through again with a spatula. Just to be sure I don't have any lumps or... The batter is ready and it's giving that foamy texture, that airy. Looks like it has enough air, which will make our cake very fluffy and tasty. I'm sure if you... This particular recipe is a banger. So I'll just go ahead and pour this into my prepared pan. This is even way too much. So I'll just add a little more. And that will be it.
That's it, guys. Let's go and pop this right in the oven. Gang, gang, gang.
This is the end result of our cake. I'm sure you're wondering how we ended up with the half cake. My husband chanced me and he ate the half. But let's just cut this. You can obviously tell that this cake is moist, like super moist. Very, very moist. You can try this recipe and give me feedback in the comment section.